Hey guys, what's going on? It's Ryan, the Immature Dad, and I just wanted to do this quick video real quick to talk about a project that I'm working on, and I'm going to be sharing with you guys. So, a friend of mine on Instagram was telling me about 100 Days of Code. And so, what that is for the last 100 days of 2019, we code. So you pick, like a programming language that you may be interested in, and you either learn it or you just code in it just so you can get better. So I do code in Python, or I script more so than anything else. But when I originally learned, it was Python 2.7. And now, as we know, we're in Python 3.7, I believe. Yeah, 3.7. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tear everything down and I'm going to start from the beginning. I am going to learn Python all over again. And for the next 100 days, I will be sharing my journey with you guys. So I'm going to try to do daily videos every day for 100 days straight on Python. It'll be more so in like my tech time format. So it won't really be as much me talking as much as it'll be me showing you guys. So I will show you, the things that I'm learning. What I'll be using, like my stuff, what I'll be using is I will be using Python Programming by John Zell, the third edition, because he does cover Python 3 now. When I originally learned, it was from the John Zell book. It was a very good book. I thought it laid everything out perfectly. It worked for me. But also, I was looking at a video by Tech Lead, and if you haven't followed him, make sure you follow him because he really knows what he's talking about. He's kind of snarky. He originally was like a Google engineer and then a Facebook engineer. He had like a real wild ride going on, but he's really smart and he has some really good ideas. And pretty much what he was saying was, I lost my train of thought. Man, what was it? I really can't remember. That's bad. Oh, that's bad. That's not good at all. And oh, I remember. So with Tech Lead, what he was talking about was using the documentation from the Python website, which I believe I looked at one point and I didn't care for it, but I went back and looked at it today and it's written very well. It's very concise. It's very straight to the point. So what I'll do is in the link below, I will also be posting all my resources. So I will post the link for the John Zell book. You guys should definitely buy it. It's on Amazon. I think it's like 30 bucks. Make sure you grab it. I will be posting my notes that coincide with the John Zell book. So it'll kind of help as a buffer and it'll tell you things that you may have missed because there are a few little things here and there that could be explained a little bit better. So I'll be adding that in, and then I will also put in the link to a Dropbox that will have the PDF to the official Python documentation. So, just so everything is in one place, you guys can go and get it. All right. So I'll do that. And the reason I'm really doing this is because I want to get my Python certification. There is a Python certification path now. If you go to pythoninstitute.org, you'll see all the paths that they have. So they have a certified entry associate, they have a junior associate. Let me grab them and I'll tell you the exact names of them. Let's see. So we have the PCEP, which is the Certified Entry-Level Python Programmer, which is what I will be doing after this 100 days code. It's only like 60 bucks. You can take the test online. Honestly, I could probably pass it now, but I'll wait and do it after I do the 100 days. That'll kind of be like my thank you to me, my gift to me, my post-Christmas gift. So yeah, we have the Certified Entry-Level Python Programmer, PCEP. Then we have the PCAP, which is the Certified Associate in Python Programming. That's kind of like that intermediate level. I will probably take that soon, but I wanted to really get the foundation and the basics down before I tried that. Then after that, we have the Certified Professional in Python Programming 1, and then we have the Certified Professional in Python Programming 2. So eventually I will try each of these, but I'm going to start off with the entry-level one just because I feel like it'll be a good thing to have. It's only 60 bucks. I can put it on my resume, and I'm pretty sure I can pass pretty easily. And that's one of the main reasons I'm doing it. Another reason I'm doing this is because I think it'll help me with everything else. I'm really big on automation, and Python is great for that. Like it's a scripting language. So of course it's going to be great for anything like that. So for backups and things of that nature, I can use Python. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did like it, hit the like button and then hit subscribe for me. If you don't mind, I would appreciate it. Comment. That is more important than anything. Comment and tell me what you guys think. Tell me if you like these videos. Tell me what I can do better. Tell me what you don't like. Tell me what you would like me to add. Talk to me. And then once again, you can also follow me at all my platforms, social media, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, it's all at The Immature Dad. You can find me on all those sites at The Immature Dad. All right, guys. Well, thank you again, and I'll catch you later. Let's do 100 Days Code. Peace.